So my order from Isha Life is here. I ordered a few things that I needed. So let's check it out. First of all, we've got sesame, jute. Let's check it out. Okay, what else have I ordered? I ordered neem tablets and moringa tablets and tulsi tablets. Then I've ordered kashaya tablets. I love moringa tablets. I haven't tried the ones from Isha yet, so I'm gonna do this. And then neem, very important. I miss this. I haven't had neem and turmeric for a very long time. Then we've got tulsi and kashaya. Also, I ordered turmeric powder and neem powder to make fresh turmeric balls and neem balls to have in the morning. So I was thinking maybe I'll make enough for the week or like 3 days, put it in the fridge and consume them fresh. Also the powder, the turmeric powder in general I've ordered before. It's really good. Okay. Then I've ordered these rings. So this one I bought from the ashram, but this is middle size and this had to be squeezed. So now I got the small size, so I can replace this. Usually the smaller size is not available on Isha Life. This time it was, so I was like, let's order a few. There we go. Nice. What else? So I've ordered Rudraksh mala. Actually necklace. Like this. I have a different Rudraksh bead from Mahashivratri, but somehow I couldn't find like a neck piece for it, so I ordered a new one. It's really nice. Okay, so there are some like how to take care of it. So I have to put this in ghee for 24 hours and then in full fat milk for another 24 hours. Then I have to wipe it, and after that only I can wear this. So I love this little bag, it's so cute. Okay, so that was my shopping. Also VSDC here. That was my little shopping from Isha. Safe side. Thanks a lot for watching. Namaskar. Bye bye.